Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's short video I will show you how to remove and replace the front Ford emblem on a 2006 Ford F-150. This video applies to F-150s made from 2004 all the way up to 2008. Now this is actually very easy to do. First you want to open the front hood, and now you will see on the back side of the grille you'll have two 10mm nuts. I hope you can see them. One will be right here and the other one will be right here. To remove those two nuts you will need the 10mm dip socket. Okay, and this is how they look. Okay, so once you have removed both of those nuts, the emblem will still be kind of tight. You won't be able just to pull it off. So what you have to do, each side, while you try to pull it off, you have to press with your finger quite hard here on this plastic clip and then pull it from the outside edge. I won't be able to record it because I have to use both of my hands. And other option what you can do, you can actually use the flat screwdriver and gently pry it just underneath here. Just be gentle and go all the way around from all sides until you are able to completely remove it. Zoom out a bit. Okay. Yeah, and that's it. Okay, so this is how you can remove the Ford front grille emblem. So like I showed you, just two nuts here and then you just have to pretty much pry it out. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.